Hey there, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of passive income, what it is, why it's becoming super important in 2024, and how you can start building your own streams. If you've ever thought about earning money without trading your time for it, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Now, let's talk about the challenges many people face when trying to create passive income. First off, there's the knowledge gap. A lot of folks don't even know where to start or what options are available. Then, there's the issue of resources. Maybe you don't have a ton of cash to invest up front, or you feel overwhelmed by all the choices out there. And let's not forget time. Many people think they're too busy to even think about building something like passive income. Sound familiar? It's a common struggle, but guess what? You're not alone, and there are ways to tackle these challenges head-on. So, what are some of the passive income streams you can explore in 2024? Let's break it down. First up, we have real estate investments. Now, you don't need to buy a whole apartment complex. Even renting out a room on Airbnb can start generating income. Next, we've got online business models like creating a blog or an e-commerce store. With the right niche and some marketing savvy, you can build a profitable online business that runs on autopilot. And let's not overlook dividend stocks. Investing in stocks that pay dividends can be a great way to earn passive income without having to sell anything. These are just a few options, but there are tons more out there waiting for you to discover. Now, let me share a quick success story that will inspire you. Meet Sarah, a regular 9-to-5 worker who wanted more out of life. She started by investing in a couple of rental properties while still working her job. Fast forward a few years, and she now earns enough from her rentals to quit her job and travel the world. Her story is proof that with determination and the right strategy, you can build a successful passive income stream too. So, if Sarah can do it, why can't you? All right, let's wrap this up. We've explored the importance of passive income, the challenges you might face, and some awesome options for 2024. Remember, the key takeaway here is to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be well on your way to building a sustainable passive income. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite passive income ideas? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next